You alright, buddy? How's it going? What's that? Yeah, Yamaha Bolt 950. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll go as quick as I can, alright? They're expecting me to blast away from the traffic lights right now. Come on, lights, this is painful. I'm joking. No, actually, I think it happens more when you've just like first started your bike.
Does it?
I've got a feeling that's the thing.
Wrong button.
What, you turned it off?
No, I just beeped by mistake.
Oh, okay, I didn't hear it.
Good.
Didn't hear it.
Nothing happened.
It might be on the recording though, so.
No, it's not. It's not. You're lying.
Fuck, that's aggressive. That's.
Huh?
That backfiring.
I know, it's doing it more today. I'm happy. I'm gonna smoke this car.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Maybe we can go up ahead here. Yeah.
I'm gonna try. There's a pizza delivery boy, he can move. Oh no, wait, I'm gonna take this space because I want to.
I'm gonna be a cock.
Oh, you dickhead. There's always one.
Oh, is that the SO?
He's checking out your bike.
You alright, man? Very well.
He's like, your plate's
Oh, yeah, I know.
Your plate's broken.
I know. It's a feature. Don't knock it.
A feature plate. Oh, can I get you a dinner plate?
You want to get me a dinner plate?
Yeah, like a dinner plate number plate.
Oh no, my name's not Hellcat.
Aww.
The guillotine number plate.
The guillotine. Why have you got your hat with you?
Oh, in case I want to be fucking moody and shady in the corner somewhere.
I feel left out.
Because I've got a feeling these guys are gonna, a bunch of them are gonna have cameras and shit, and you know how they get, like cringy blogger types.
Oh my god, are you primitive? I'm such a big fan.
So,
Have you seen that thing, the wipey?
the what?
The wipey.
The wipey?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, like a little window wiper, or is it the
That
thing?
you stick on the top of your visor.
No, I've not seen that. I know people can get like this little thing that sticks on their glove, and it's like a little wiper on that finger.
Really good, I've had that before.
You had that, yeah?
This is a motorised little wiper that you stick on the top of your helmet, like the top of your visor, and you press a button, and then it just wipes the water off like a normal car.
Oh, wow.
And I want one.
Oh, wow. Look up.
Oh, I'm stuck now. Thank you for doing that.
Alright, I'll wait. Ugh. Anally fucking abused. Don't be that one. We're going straight.
Straight, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Well, you're gonna have to wait, aren't you?
Ooh.
Or you're just gonna push me out of the way? Yeah. Fuck off, you cunt.
I know. It's weird, like, yeah, they sort of treat us differently. They see us as like an inconvenience.
Yeah, they do.
When it's like 99% of their journey, they're inconvenienced by cars.
Yeah. It's alright. I timed my exhaust perfectly to be in line with his open window.
Perfect. You're learning well.
I am. I learned from the master.
The time that I did that to a driver, it must have been deafening. I would not have wanted, because I gave it fucking...
Yeah.
I would not want to put my head next to my exhaust.
No?
It'd probably be assault.
So what you're saying is we're not trying it later?
You know what I wanted to do though? I wanted to put my face in front of the exhaust when it backfires and does the flame pop.
I mean, it would be a very quick shave.
It would be funny, yeah.
Yeah.
You've not really been one with your bike until you've done that.
No? Okay, so you're not one with your bike, is what you're
No, I'm not.
Oh,
I need to ascend. Oh, what is that? That's not an oncoming lane, is it?
No,
What are you
it's
doing?
not. I don't know. They're all like, this car's just trying to be a dick about it.
Okay, oh, we'll stick to the left lane. I don't
Yeah.
care. Oh, welcome back, cunt. Oh, you better wait.
Yeah. This is my favourite lane. This is Woodmanton Lane. This is a great road.
Okay. Well, I'll review your road. Okay, it's well kept. It's not bumpy. Foliage is it's all right. It's been looked after enough.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I don't know if I'm turning you up or down. So...
We've got a droopy tree here.
Holy shit!
What happened?
It's so loud!
What? Did I launch a stone at you?
No, I was turning you up, and then you just started
Oh.
talking. No, I just heard the one that I couldn't remember which one it was. I never want you to be that close to my ears again.
What did I say? What were the exact words? A droopy tree.
Yeah, that was a droopy tree. That really scared me. Oh dear.
I think there's a coffee shop in there. No, your road is pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I like the trees and stuff, and it's
Yeah,
up and
yeah.
down and it's a bit windy. I mean, I don't like turning because I'm shit at it, but
Right.
there's a bit of turns here.
And if you crash in there, it's going to be kind of all right. It's not going to be as bad as it.
I mean, I'm not planning on crashing anytime soon. But
I've got to take everything into consideration here when I'm reviewing your road. Okay. Whoa.
Okay.
Squirrely floor there.
Yeah. So what is it out of 10 so far?
I'm going to go with 8. That's pretty damn good. Okay.
Ooh. I'll take it.
Oh, it's gone to an 8.5 because of these hedges.
Yeah?
The rich people here.